If your car is shaking, vibrating, or trembling, do not go to a mechanic before watching this video, because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why your car is shaking and how to fix most of it without spending a single dollar. There are 5 main reasons why a car shakes when mechanics charge hundreds of dollars to diagnose what you can actually check yourself in your driveway. Let's break all 5 down one by one. Because number 1, worn spark plugs. Your spark plugs fire thousands of times every minute to ignite the fuel in your engine. When they wear out, they misfire. Poor fuel mileage and hard starts in the morning. The fix? New spark plugs cost between $20 and $60, and you can replace them yourself with a basic socket wrench. And a misfiring engine shakes. Signs to look for: rough idle when you're stopped. Cause number 2, a dirty or clogged fuel injector. Your fuel injectors spray fuel into the engine in a very precise pattern. When they get clogged with dirt and carbon buildup, the fuel spray becomes uneven. That means some cylinders get too much fuel, some get too little, and your engine shakes because it's not firing evenly. The best part? You don't need a mechanic. A dend bottle of fuel injector cleaner can clear this up within 1 full tank of driving. Cause number 3, a broken or worn motor mount. Motor mounts are rubber and metal brackets that hold your engine in place inside the car. They also absorb vibrations, so you don't feel them inside the cabin. When a motor mount breaks, your engine literally moves around inside the hood, and every vibration transfers straight into the body of the car. You'll feel this especially when you accelerate hard or put the car in drive. This one does need a shop to fix, but it usually costs $150 to $300, not $800. Cause number 4, unbalanced or worn tires. This is the most commonly ignored cause of car shaking. If your car shakes mostly when you're driving above 60 miles per hour, there's a very high chance your tires are out of balance. Even a tiny weight difference between tires causes vibration at high speeds. The fix is simple. Tire balancing at any shop costs around $20 to $40 for all 4 tires. Also check your tire pressure first. Low pressure alone can cause mild shaking and kills your fuel economy. Cause number 5, and this one surprises most people, a clogged air filter. When the air filter gets clogged with dirt and dust, the engine gets starved of oxygen. It starts running rich, too much fuel, not enough air, and begins to misfire and shake. A new air filter costs $15 at any auto parts store and takes literally 5 minutes to replace with 0 tools. Check yours right now. If it looks gray or black, replace it today. Before you spend a single dollar, do these 3 things first. Number 1, check and replace your air filter. Number 2, check your tire pressure and bring it to the recommended PSI on your door sticker. Number 3, add a fuel injector cleaner to a full tank of gas. These 3 steps alone fix the shaking problem in over 60% of cars. Costs you less than $25 total. Do this before you even think about calling a mechanic. If this video just saved you a trip to the mechanic, and hit subscribe. Every week on Auto Truth, I expose what car dealers and mechanics don't want you knowing. Real fixes, real money saved. I'll see you in the next one.